Headings. These headings have to do with section headings, usually used to mark a new section or a chapter of your document. The headings should follow a hierarchy. A major heading should be marked as a heading level 1, such as this one up top. Any subtopics related to the major heading should be given a heading level 2 designation. A subtopic of one of those subtopics would receive a heading level 3 designation, and so on. An error will be noted if the heading tags are not matching the appropriate hierarchy. For example, you shouldn't find an H2 tag if there isn't an H1 tag first. As we see here in our tags list. Now, even for a very simple document, you should at least have one H1 tag used perhaps for the title. Now, to create or edit a heading tag, go to the Tags panel as I have here. Right-click the tag you wish to edit and go to Properties. In the Tag tab, you can go to the Type drop-down menu and change the tag on this heading to the appropriate level, in this case heading level 1. Now if I go back and check my document again, I should see yet another error. I'll go to check again, and we see an error remains, this time with our next heading underneath. Back to the Tags panel, I can see that I have an H3 tag without there being an H2 tag in between here. This H3 tag should not be an H3 at all. It should be a heading level 2. So I will go back to Properties and change this to a heading level 2 as it should be. We see our H3 here for our subtopic of this topic, which is appropriate. So if I go back to my accessibility checker, ask it to check again, now we should have no more issues with our headings. Excellent.